How to make online course website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started. And now you need to choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. So we need the online course website. So just type online course and click next. What do you want to do with your website? So here basically guys, you need to choose the main purpose of your website. Sell online courses. This is exactly what we want to do. And maybe build a community, sell products, collect donations, sell services. Here you need to choose whatever you want, actually, whatever you really need. So just feel free to choose the exact thing you want to do. Next, how would you like to start building your website? Here guys, you have two options how you can build your website. Either build with AI technology or browse templates. To be honest, I'm not really big fan of AI technology, so I'm gonna choose this one because I really like to choose from curated set of professionally designed website templates. And here guys, you need to choose the template that you think is the best for you and for your business. Also here you can choose type of website, topic of your website. Just for an example, for this video, I'm gonna choose this one because I really like this template. I think this template is nice, and here guys you can change sample color presets. For example, now you can see this template is black and orange. You can do it like white and black, green, blue, this color. I think this variant is really nice, so I'm gonna choose this one and start with this design. And meanwhile we are waiting until everything loads. I'm gonna tell you guys that squarespace.com is the perfect option to creating a website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create another website. That's why I highly recommend you to use this website. And now we need to create site name right here, and I'm gonna name it for example best courses. What would you like to do first, create a course or design your site? So here, create a course. Of course you need to do it yourself because I'm just showing you a tutorial how to design your site. That's why I choose this one. And now we are ready to edit our template, but first of all you need to click this button, pages, and check this out. You have main navigation here, you have not linked pages, course introduction, become a content something, and home page. You can link these pages like this, and as you can see a home page appears right here. Also you can delete some pages easily clicking this button, for example like this. And of course you can add another one. You can add new pages by clicking this button. Next one, you can change styles here. You can change themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever. And now we need to reload page. And also guys, here you can manage some things about your site. For example, manage products and services, invoicing, content and membership, donations, scheduling, also analytics. This one is really interesting page, because here you can check the traffic, visits, bounce rate, unique visitors, page views of your site, also geography of your visitors. Really nice page right here. But now we are gonna to edit our website. So just click this button, edit, and now you're able to edit almost everything here. Basically you can change the placement of text, of images. You can change the size. You can change the text itself. Just double click on this text and you can delete it. You can write whatever you want here. For example, I'm gonna delete this one like this. And you can add block. Block is like a content. You can add text, button, image, video, audio, whatever you want. For example, text. And now you can type here whatever you want. For example, I need to my courses the best, just for an example. And of course I can do it bigger, like this, scale the text. I can change the size of picture here. I can change this picture, click this button, edit, and I can replace this picture. I can change design. Also I can change design of this whole section, background, for example like this, or I can change the colors of this section. By the way, something about sections. As you can see, our page is divided into several sections. Here is header section. This is first section here. Next one here. And in the end, footer section. You can delete the whole section, for example, this one, remove. Or you can add new section by clicking this button. Here you can choose any section you want, and also add a blank section like this. And in this section you can add text, image, video, whatever you want. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you trying to explore it yourself. Also you can toggle to mobile view version of your site. You can check this out, everything is nice. Also you can edit mobile view. Back to desktop view here. This is also site styles. Very easy to edit, as you can see. And you need to click this button, save as frequently as possible, just to not lose your content, progress. And when you're done editing your website, you can publish your website easily, but first you need to upgrade your account. Click subscribe. Here you can select the plan. So guys, the entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.